Aerial photography consists of an aeronautical device and a camera. Joseph Nepci, a French scientist, discovered how to make a good photograph in the 1800s. Later, George Eastman, an American, invented what we would call the film in those old Kodak cameras, which Eastman named. Now, the cameras Aviator used were the big square ones that look similar to bricks. This lady here is shown holding a smaller version around the late 1900s, several decades after World War I. Aerial photography was first used in World War I in September 1914 by the Germans, the French, and the Belgians. Photography was used in kite balloons before airplanes. Germany had the plans, but the French and the Belgians stole them, so that's why in 1914 all of them had the kite balloon. The reason armies wanted cameras was because they wanted to see over into enemy lines. Cameras were better than human memories. Here is a video of the French using aerial photography. In the beginning of the use of a camera in the air, pilots could only take one picture. That's all the camera would hold. As inventors bettered the camera, the military was able to take more pictures and later, on the ground, piece together a panorama view of enemy territory. Aerial photography was used a lot. Some specific battles it was used in was the Battle of the Somme and the Battle of Passchendaele. This before and after picture of the Battle of Passchendaele really shows the devastation that occurred. Aerial photography was a huge success. It allowed one side to see directly into the enemy's camp. They could know about the quantity of soldiers from the number of barracks, they could see how many posts there were and what kind, and they could see different types of ammo. It let the other side know what was coming and where they could hit to wipe out the enemy. Now, before World War I, aerial photography was used in the American Civil War and a German siege on Paris. Cameras were also just used to take pictures. Today, we've greatly improved on our technology. We can use satellite imaging instead of using a handheld camera. The military pilots use satellites in the atmosphere to scope out the ground below them. Google Maps and Google Earth are just some examples of improved aerial photography.